Laundry. It's one of those chores that never ends. You finally empty the basket, only to see it fill up again before you've even put the clean clothes away. For many busy Australians, laundry quietly consumes hours every week. But here's the good news. You don't have to do it all yourself. Outsourcing your laundry is more than a luxury. It's a convenience. It's a smart, time-saving move that can improve your well-being, free up your schedule, and help you live a calmer, more balanced life. Let's explore why more families and individuals are handing the washing over to professionals, and why you might want to do the same. 1. You save hours every week. Between sorting, washing, drying, folding, and putting away, laundry takes time, and a lot of it. By outsourcing, you regain those hours. That's more time for family dinners, rest, hobbies, or just catching your breath after a long week. 2. Cleaner, healthier clothes. Professional laundry services utilise high-grade machines and premium detergents to remove bacteria, allergens, and dust mites effectively. This deeper level of cleaning is beneficial if you've kids, allergies, sensitive skin, or want your clothes to be truly fresh. 3. Less stress, more mental space. Endless piles of clothes can be mentally exhausting. It's another thing on your plate, especially when you're juggling work, kids, and everything in between. Outsourcing helps lighten that mental load, giving you one less thing to worry about. 4. More family time. Laundry can steal time you'd rather spend with loved ones. Outsourcing gives you more energy and headspace to enjoy your time together, whether it's playing with the kids, having a cup of tea, or getting out of the house. 5. You get more done. When someone else handles the washing, you can focus on work, errands, or even a proper break. Whether you're a working professional or a stay-at-home parent, this boost in productivity can help you feel more on top of things. 6. It lifts your mood. Let's face it, walking into a home without a mountain of washing feels good. Clean folded clothes boost confidence and make your space feel more organised and calm. It's a small change that can brighten your day. 7. It's more affordable than you think. Consider the expenses associated with operating your machine, including power, water, detergent, and repairs. Add the time you spend and the cost starts to stack up. A reliable, affordable laundry service might save you money in the long run, especially when your clothes last longer with proper care. 8. Better for the planet. Many professional laundry services use eco-friendly products and energy-efficient machines. It's a great option if you're conscious of your household's environmental impact. 9. Helps you avoid burnout. Repetitive chores, such as laundry, can quietly lead to burnout, especially if you're already stretched thin. Taking one task off your plate gives you time to recharge emotionally and prevents that constant feeling of being on. 10. You're supporting local businesses. Small, family-owned teams run many Melbourne laundry services. By outsourcing, you're supporting your local community and helping create jobs right here at home. 11th, delicate items. Get the care they deserve. Silk, wool, lace. Some fabrics need special care. Professionals know how to wash and handle these items correctly, so you avoid shrinkage, colour bleeding, or damage, peace of mind included. 12. You stay on top of life during busy times. Got a hectic week ahead, hosting guests, kids' activities ramping up. The last thing you need is to worry about laundry. Outsourcing during busy periods means everything gets done without the added pressure. 13. More time for self-care. Laundry consumes the time you could spend taking care of yourself. Whether it's a walk, a nap, or reading a book, handing off the washing means you can finally focus on yourself. 14. No more laundry nightmares. We've all had a laundry disaster. Shrunken jumpers, colour run disasters, or torn fabrics. Professionals know exactly what they're doing, so your clothes are safe and adequately cared for. 15. It's a simple lifestyle upgrade. This isn't about luxury. It's about making life easier. Having your laundry taken care of professionally reduces stress and gives you more control over your week. It's a small decision that makes a significant impact. So, if the washing basket is taking over your home or your head, why not give yourself a break? Let Clean House Melbourne take care of the laundry so that you can focus on life.